Opening hook. Albert Einstein, the man who turned the universe into a giant slide, and you'll never see free fall the same way again. Ah, the universe. That vast and mysterious place where everything seems to move in a chaotic yet fascinating dance. At the center of this cosmic ballroom, we have Albert Einstein, the cosmic DJ, who one day, probably out of boredom, decided to tell us that space and time are like two nerds at prom, inseparable and a bit quirky. Einstein is that guy who, at a party, pops up and says, "Hey, did you know that the speed of light is constant in any reference frame, but no one cares because we're all too busy looking for Wi-Fi?" For those who love fast cars, I'm sorry to inform you that even if you speed up to nearly the speed of light, you'll still see the light waving at you like an Olympic marathon runner, breezing past the guy who's just started warming up. And of course, the question arises, how on earth does this make any sense, right? Ever been bummed out because time seems to fly? Well, that's your fault for not zipping around at absurd speeds through space. Astronauts, those clever folks, come back just a smidge younger for spending a bit of time zipping around the Earth, and yet they still have to pay full price at the movies. It's all fun and games until you realize Einstein wasn't content just to mess with time. He wanted gravity to join the party too. Imagine him there thinking, Newton was cool and all, but what if we made gravity stop being a force and turn into a skateboard ramp? Bet no one saw that coming. So he comes up with this crazy idea. Gravity isn't a force. It's the curve of space-time, like a water slide in a cosmic water park. Suddenly, all the planets turned into Yorkshire Terriers, sliding down invisible slides. And the best part? They don't even need to shout, "Woo-hoo!" Think about it. You're in an elevator. Everything's calm. But when it goes into free fall, you float. How about that, huh? Einstein practically invented the most radical theme park ever. Free fall or floating in space? Ah, the choices he gave us. And now, the burning question. Why, instead of magic, did the universe decide to follow the rules of a bizarre slide? And that's where our messy-haired genius comes in. The coolest thing is that acceleration doesn't need forces. That's right, fans of classical physics. My condolences. The geometry of spacetime is the boss here. The famous curvature of spacetime, which could very well be the name of an indie band. Einstein's final stroke of genius. It's not invisible forces controlling gravity, but the very geometry of the universe. Picture a sled on a downhill. It just follows the curves. Similarly, planets simply glide along cosmic curves. In the end, what we learn from Einstein is that the universe is a place of pure elegance and chaos, where even slides have their charm. And every time you look up at the starry sky, you'll remember you're like a Yorkshire sliding down an invisible slide around a giant ball of fire called the sun. Mandatory closing. And if you love this insane journey through spacetime, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Because honestly, who wouldn't want to receive a Feynman abducted me in the comments? And if you didn't like it, congratulations, you might just be a side effect of a Socrates and Elon Musk cloning experiment.